Hello and welcome back to my channel. Once again, I know it's been like ages, but here I am. And this time I'm not going anywhere, I can promise you that. Like, if I'm not too lazy or anything, I'll be here for a long time. And I'm back with some amazing video ideas, and this time I'm gonna give you what you've been waiting for. I know you guys have been craving for a video like this, and I'm here to feed you and me and everyone who wants a nice body. And before we start this video, just so you know that you have an amazing body, just love yourself. I love you, we all love you. Someone likes me as well, I think. But like, getting a good body in a healthy way, it's something good. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to get the best summer body of 2018 in this video. So you have to watch it till the end and leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you wanna know how to do it. Okay, without further ado, so now we just pretend like there's this effect that goes like because I'm too lazy to put, so let's go. This is my favorite one because we just sit. Oh my god, that was the craziest dream of my life. It's not like I'm gonna go do something outside.